Hi, welcome to Policy Stack. This is a series for our Advisor Accelerator program where I'm going to show you how to integrate GoHighLevel CRM into Policy Stack. First, you'll want to make sure you log into both Policy Stack and GoHighLevel. When you're in Policy Stack, navigate to your practice side of your account and then go to Practice Settings. From here, underneath Workflow, you'll see Integrations, GoHighLevel. In the future, we will add CRMs like HubSpot and others to expand this capability. Right now, we have integrated GoHighLevel, and it is a one-way sync. Policy Stack will read the data from GoHighLevel on your contacts and deals in your pipeline. Nothing is written back to GoHighLevel. It is a one-way sync that happens nightly. It can also be synced on a manual pull that you can initiate from your settings as well. It reads contact name, email, phone number, date of birth, state, company name, and lead source if those are items that are currently captured by your GoHighLevel contact list. So what we have to do is obtain a private integration token from GoHighLevel and then enter your location ID. So let's go over to GoHighLevel. When you log in, you'll typically land on your agency view. You want to make sure you click on this section and select the appropriate sub-account. Okay, from here, navigate to your settings and go to private integrations. This is where we'll be creating a new integration token. I'll name it test. From here, select scopes. Back on the practice settings, it tells you exactly what scopes you need to select. View contacts and view opportunities. If for some reason you don't see view contacts and view opportunities in the dropdown, that means that you are not an appropriate sub-account. That means you are still in the agency view. Click Create. This is the token you want to save. Click on the copy, come back to Policy Stack, and paste it in. You can click on the eye image right there to verify it came over properly. Next, we're looking for the sub-account location ID. This is coming from GoHighLevel, and it's located in the browser URL immediately after location /. Don't copy any slashes, just copy the text and numbers and bring it over to Policy Stack and paste, hit validate and connect. Okay, so we have confirmed we have a sub account validated, and right now it's prompts you to set up your pipeline. This is how we reconcile the differences in the stages on GoHighLevel and Policy Stack. Ideally, you'll want to make sure that your Policy Stack stages in your Policy Stack CRM deals pipeline are labeled the same stages that you have in GoHighLevel. How do you change it? From your settings, you can click on pipeline, and that is where you want to make the adjustments, where you can rename these and change color or delete. Okay, this is also where for the different items, you can add checklist items for what might happen during those different stages. Okay. So for now, this looks fine for just the test. The other thing you want to make sure you do is click a checkbox next to which stage indicates that the deal has been won. For this scenario, we'll say when it's closed and an active client. We'll click that button, hit confirm. Now initially when you hit save, it's not going to sync on its own. You will want to initiate its first sync, and then from there on out, every night it's going to sync. So we'll hit sync now. It does take a little bit of time, maybe up to 5 or 10 minutes for that first sync. But how do we know that it's worked? It'll tell you when the last successful sync was, but where did the clients show up? When you go to your clients page, prospects, this is where they will list. And then you will be able to add them or dismiss them. Let's add this contact. Okay, it took the phone number and name and email from Go high level. I'll show you right there what that looks like. That's John Doe. Okay. And let's say John's already your client. We'll hit add client. And client added. So now he is listed on your client list. Okay, from here, it's best practice that you go in and you walk through your system setup. If you want to add more details about that contact, go up here to add details. You can input their birthday, state they're in, household size, what their products they're interested in. Otherwise, go ahead and march down the system setup where these are things that you would want to do in the prospecting phase, but also once you've closed the deal, how to get them to Policy Stack and connect to that client, whether you invite them to connect and they self-pay, that would be a connected client, or if you're on a seat pack plan as an advisor and you pay for their access to Policy Stack for a certain amount of months, let's say 3 months, you would seat them on your plan, and then at the end of 3 months, they'll be able to switch over to a self-pay model. And then that seat would then be open back up for your use for a new client. Okay, that's all I have. Thank you.